You want to go see the inside?
What's up, Daddy?
You want to go see the inside?
I'm sure they don't enough
Nick,
other ones.
you want to go see it? Go open the side door.
That one?
Right there. Go open the side door.
Dad, can you show me? Can you help me, Daddy?
Jeremy, my partner, he'll show you.
How can you though?
I'm coming. Go. Go. You want to see inside?
Sure.
That don't look like fun.
Car sitting back there.
I was there with Dad, the ER truck. I have a Christmas hat on. Your Christmas? That's pretty cool. It's the only time it's gonna come. So, bye-bye. Even though it's dark.